Hi, welcome to the Ultrastock website, and we're going to show you now with a little dummy door setup that we've got. It's really nice and easy. We use it for training and demo purposes. We're going to show you how to measure your window so that you can tell us what size window film you need. Come and join us. But what we're going to measure is literally the distance between the side of the rubber gasket or the beading itself. Alright, so we're going to just put your tape measure on here. This one measures at 60 centimetres or 600 millimetres, and then we can make a note of that. And then you're going to measure the other way as well for your height. Alright, and this one measures at almost 79 centimetres or 790 millimetres. Okay, so you make a note of that, measure each part or each section of your window or your bay if you like, make a note of those and let us know. When we supply the film to you, it's going to be wider. We're going to cut that for you wider than it needs to be. If window film comes on various widths rolls, okay, so if your glazed area is almost as wide as a whole roll width, then we'll probably give you that whole width, and then you'll trim that in on site in your glass yourself. But otherwise, we're going to give you a piece of film that would fit in here and will probably be an inch or 2.5 centimetres wider than it needs to be, and then you can cut that in. It just makes it a lot easier. If it's huge, it's very difficult to cut that in on site because it's all floppy and it's difficult. It sticks to everything. But that's how you measure your window. Make a note of those sizes, stick that on your email to us, and then and your inquiry will be processed and we'll get that sent out to you in exactly the right sizes you need. Thanks for watching. Hope you found that interesting. If you'd like to get more information or get a quote or some advice even, then please feel free to call the number that you can see on the screen now, or send an email through that you can see here as well, and we'll help you out as soon as we can. Thanks.